Glengough High were the highest scorers in Tuesday's Issa Rural Area Under-16 football competition as they beat Old Harbour High 14-0 at St. Mary's College. Manchester High stormed past New Forest High 8-0, while Cornwall College got the better of Malden High 3-0. In Burger King Under-14 action, Belfield High were in a mean mood. They blanked Alston High 9-0. Cornwall College also went on a spree, beating Malden High 8-0, while Garvamaseo High kept a clean sheet. They beat Kempshill 5-0. Head coach of the All Manning Scholastic team and head coach at St. Catherine High, Anthony Patrick, says the All Manning and All Da Costa Day is a great avenue for the youngsters to continue on their journey. The All Da Costa Scholastic team defeated their urban area counterparts 5-3 on penalties. The game was played at Stets over the weekend following a 1-1 regulation time draw.
It's all about the youngsters, you know, coming to showcase their talent to the scouts from overseas. And I think all in all, I must say them did well, just to show the, you know, giving the scouts a view that them can call them back the second time. They need another look at them, you know, and I'm impressed with that. That's the most important thing, giving the youngsters them the opportunity to get a scholarship overseas.
Kimali Webson, who is the assistant coach at the University of Connecticut, was among the coaches from overseas institutions on hand. He was pleased with what he saw.
I think the level here is high. It's one of those, is it going to be a fit? Are they going to want to come over? Is the education going to match? Right? Those are the things that we have to look at past the football.
And Chris Birch, head coach at Lindenwood University in Missouri, said he was looking for a specific type of player.
Yeah, players that are well-rounded, guys who compete very well, have you know, fighting spirit, grit, and good mentality to compete every day. We're looking for technical players, guys who want to be coached, guys who want to get better in our environment, and guys who are hungry to just win championships together.